Hello guys! Welcome to my channel. So for today's video ay magluto tayo ng honey chicken recipe. So gagawa tayo ng for marinade ang grated ginger, grated onion, soy sauce, white pepper powder, salt, and black pepper. So mix well. So yan, ilagay din natin ang ating chicken steak. So ang ginamit kong part ng chicken ay yung chicken steak. So, gawa din tayo ng seasoning, soy sauce, wine, oyster sauce, sugar, and honey. So, i-fry natin ang chicken steak both side until golden brown. So let's start to cook our seasonings. So pakuluan lang natin to, and then saka natin ilagay yung ating fried chicken. So ayan guys, so antayin natin lumapot yung sabaw. So make sure na lahat ay nakutan ng honey. So ayan, garnish with sesame seeds. So ayan guys, tapos na ang ating honey chicken recipe. So thank you for watching. See you in my next vlog. Please like and subscribe. Bye bye.